Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this Adobe Illustrator tutorial, we will add eyes, nose, mouth, and eyebrows to the previous flat character. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't seen that video, I will add the link in the description box, and you can also check through the eye button. First of all, I will create eyebrows. To add eyebrows, please go through every little detail. Now I will work on the nose portion. Please add outlines near the nose. Use a pen tool or pencil tool to work on the nostrils. Now I will work on the eye portion. Use the ellipse tool to add black circles. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make a custom brush to add outlines to the eyes. Now add all the possible outlines near the eyes. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now fill in the color in circles. And delete the extra portion. Play with the gradient tool. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now take 3 different white shades and fill in the eye portion. Now use a brush to add an outline in the middle of the lip. Use the pen tool to add colors to the lip. I will take a lighter color for the upper lip and darker color for the lower lip. Now fill in the colors in all the outlines. Now your character is ready. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.